Dear my students, welcome to you all in our today's session. Today we are going to learn from question number 7. Same exercise we are going to continue it. Question number 7a, you can see the question. If g of x is equal to 4x plus 1 and g o of x is equal to 13 minus 8x, find the f x and g f o g x. This question we discussed yesterday also, but due to the lacking of time, we did not complete it. So today, again, I am going to teach this question, 7 number A, okay? I am going to write the question here. Question number 7A. There is given, if the function gx equal to 4x plus 1, function g of x equal to 4x plus 1, this is given. And next is given, composite function g o of x equal to, composite function g o of x equal to x plus 2 upon 5, x plus 2 upon 5. So no 13 minus x g o f x g o f x equal 13 minus 8x, 13 minus 8x. Then find f of x, find f of x, and next is f of gx. These two things are asked by question. Now you can see. Yes. Now question is copied on the board. You can see. The question is here. Function gx are given, and this is the composite function given here. G O of x are given. From these two given function, we have to find the function f of x, and next is f of gx. First of all, you have to understand from these two function, you have to find the f of x. Function f of x you have to find first of all. Then only f of gx we have to find. To find the composite function of f of gx, first of all you need to find gx and f x here. Gx is already given. F of x we have to find it. हामीले पहिला सुरुमा f of x निकाल्नु पर्छ. f of x र g of x थाहा भयो भने मात्र f of gx निकाल्न सकिन्छ, नभए गाह्रो हुन्छ. So you know this. Okay, let's find it. The solution, given that given things we can write here, we can list here. Function g of x equal to given 4x plus 1. Next composite function g o f of x equal to given 13 minus 8x. Next function asking f of x, function f is asking, and next function composite function f of gx, composite function f of g of x equal to what this is also asking. Okay, now my dear students, first of all you have to start your solution from this composite function g o f x. दिएको composite function g o f x बाट हाम्रो solution start गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. So we have to take here this function g o f of x equal to 13 minus 8x. So we have now, my dear student, this is function f of x is followed by g. This means what do you understand? Function f of x, function f of x is followed by g. Function f of x लाई g ले follow गरिरहेको छ भनेपछि this you know, this g we have to keep as it is, and function f of x we don't know. Yes, we don't know. So directly this function f of x will be input value for the function g. यो f of x के हुन्छ? g को लागि input हुन्छ. So f of x you have to substitute in the function g. यो f of x लाई g मा गएर substitute गरिदिने. So with g function where it is g of x equal to 4x plus 1 we have. So here 4 we have to put same. So here in place of x we have to substitute f of x. So 4 into x. 4 into x, in place of x we can substitute f of x, and plus 1 is there, plus 1 we have to put as it is equal to 13 minus 8x. You don't be confused. यस्तो दियो भने g o f of x दियो भने function f of x त हामीसँग छैन. नभए हामीले के कन्सिडर गर्न पर्छ भने you have to consider this f of x is the input value for g. f of x is single f of x के हो त g को लागि के हो त इनपुट हो. त्यसो भए हामीले g मा गएर जहाँ x छ x को ठाउँमा f of x पुरै यस्तै यस्तै हामीले के गर्न सक्छौं इनपुट गर्न सक्छौं. त्यही भएर g भन्ने फंक्सन हामीसँग यहाँ के छ g भन्ने फंक्सन हामीसँग के छ 4x + 1 छ. त यो x को ठाउँमा मैले अन्डरलाइन गरेको छु. In place of this x, we can replace this f of x. 4 is same as it is. We can put x in place of x. We can replace f of x here, and a +1 is there. +1 is equal to this 13 minus 8x. So we have to keep same. After this, 4 into f of x. This is equal to 13 minus 8x. This +1 we can carry to the right side. Then -1 becomes. Our target is to find the function f of x. हाम्रो टार्गेट भनेको फंक्शन f of x निकाल्ने हो. So or 4 into f of x is equal to this is 13 minus 1. This will be 12. 12 minus 8x. Or now function f of x is equal to we can get here 12 minus 8x upon 4. And this can be converted into the simplest form. यसलाई हामीले simplest form मा चेन्ज गर्न सक्छौं. How? If possible to factorize there. And there is something way to simplify, then we can simplify and we can convert this into the simplest form. So this is the therefore function f of x we got here. F of x equal to upside 12 and 8. We can take common 4 here. 4 common we can take. 4 common comes here. 4 3 is 12 minus 4 2 is 8 2x divided by 4 we can 4 we can cut. Therefore function f of x equal to 3 minus 2x. This is the function f of x. नानी बाबुले नबुझेको ठाउँ कहाँ हुन सक्छ भने यहाँनिर नबुझेको हुन सक्छ. ध्यान दिने है कसरी नबुझेको है भन्ने. जस्तै हामीसँग g f of x equal to 13 minus 8x छ नि. यसमा यो f of x को भ्यालु त छैन हामीसँग माथि हेर त f of x छ र छैन हामीले पत्ता लगाउनु पर्ने हो. त्यसो भयो है तिमीले के गर्न पर्छ भने यो फंक्सन f of x लाई यस्तिकै जस्ता तस्तै f of x लाई g मा गएर सब्स्टिट्युट गर्ने. यो के हुन्छ त f of x becomes input value for the function g. Function g को लागि के हुन्छ यो चाहिँ इनपुट भ्यालु हुन्छ. त्यसको भए यसलाई लगेर g मा जाने. g फंक्सन मा जहाँनेर x छ x को ठाउँमा रिप्लेस गर्दिने. त g को ठाउँमा मैले के राखेको छु g भनेको त हामीसँग 4x + 1 छ. त 4 है भइहाल्यो. x को ठाउँमा त यो f of x रिप्लेस गर्न पाइन्छ. f of x भयो अनि +1 छ +1. हेर त 4x + 1 in place of x I have replaced this f of x. ए रिप्लेस गरे मैले यहाँनेर है. After this 4 into f of x + 1 equal this. Now +1 we can carry this side, and then the f of x equal we can get this side. Very simply we can do. I think everybody you are clear here now. Okay, then again we have to find the function f of gx. The f of gx is next composite function. Again we have to find the composite function of f of gx. This is equal to. This means function g is followed by f. Function g like f ne follow gareko cha. G function is first function here. So f we have to put same g of x. G of x you have here already. G of x यसको ठाउँमा j छ त्यो राख्दिने. G of x equal to 4x + 1. You have done already previously. You have done 4x + 1. This is equal to again this function. This input value 4x + 1. You have to substitute in the function f. यसलाई लगेर फेरि function f मा राख्ने. Function f just now we have found here 3 minus 2x. 3 minus 2 x in place of x we have to replace this 4x + 1. This is equal to 3 minus 2 4 is 8x. Minus plus minus 2 1 is 2 we can do. This is 3 minus 2 1 comes here 1 minus 8x. Therefore our composite function f of g of x equal to 1 minus 8x. So in this way we can solve this problem. If anybody have confusion, then you have to be clear. Okay, ask me, tell me. Is everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next question. 7 number B. 7 number B also look at here. 7 number B. Same type of question, but little bit different it is there. थोरै केही फरक छ हामीसँग. I would like to share the screen to everyone. Okay. Question number 7b is also there. Given that function f of x equal to 2x, we have given function f of x equal to 2x given, function f x given there, function f x दिएको छ हामीलाई. And next function is GOFX. Sorry, composite function. Yes, GOFX. Composite function GOF of x given there. GOFX given there 6x plus 2. 6x plus 2. Then find GX. Then find GX. G of x, and next is f of gx. F of gx, and find the value of x if f of gx equal to 10 is given. And find the value of, also find the value of x if f of g of x. प्रश्नहरु यो क्वेशनहरु उस्तै उस्तै खालका छन्, यस्तै यस्तै इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेशनहरु एक्जाममा यस्तै रिलेटेड क्वेशनहरु नै सोध्छ है. ल, you can see, look it now on the board. You can see on the board here. Get the idea, okay? You have to construct your idea yourself. You have to construct your knowledge. Solution. First of all, let's read the question. Function fx is given here. Function fx दिएको छ हामीलाई. Next composite function GOFX is given 6x plus 2 यो पनि दिएको छ. अब यो दुईटाको हेल्पबाट हामीले फंक्सन gx निकाल्नै पर्ने हुन्छ. फंक्सन gx ननिकालिकन सुखै छैन. gx को ननिकालिकन हामीले चाहिँ यो फंक्सन f of gx equal 10 गराएर इक्वेसन बनाएर x को भ्यालु निकाल्न सक्दैनौं. पहिला gx निकालौं. gx निकालिसकेपछि बल्ल कम्पोजिट फंक्सन f of gx निकालौं. f of gx हामीले j निकाल्छौं, त्योसँग 10 लाई इक्वेट गर्छौं. त्यसपछि त्यहाँबाट हाम्रो इक्वेसन बन्छ. इक्वेसन बन्यो भने x को भ्यालु त सल्भ गरेर निस्किहाल्छ, कुनै प्रब्लम छैन. इक्वेसन बनाउँदा यो कन्डिसन हो. दिस इज गिवन कन्डिसन f of gx equal to 10. दिस इज द कन्डिसन. यो त कन्डिसन हो दिएको हामीलाई. हामीले यहाँ के बुझ्न पर्यो भने गिवन फंक्सनबाट पहिला fx हामीलाई दिएकै छ, gx निकाल्न पर्यो. मेन टार्गेट भनेको gx निकाल्न पर्यो. fx पनि थाहा भयो, gx पनि थाहा भयो भने त कम्पोजिट फंक्सन f of gx त मजाले निकाल्न सक्छौं. त कम्पोजिट फंक्सन f of gx निकाल्न सकियो भने अब यो जे आउँछ त्योसँग 10 लाई चाहिँ के गर्ने, इक्वेट गर्ने. इक्वेट गरेपछि x को भ्यालु आइहाल्छ. यो प्रोसिजर चाहिँ एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट है. यस्तै यस्तै प्रोसिजरहरु एप्लाई गरेर हामीले लङ क्वेशनहरु सल्भ गर्न सक्छौं. 4 मार्क्स को क्वेशन आउँछ. सो यु हैव टु learn it perfectly. Okay, now we can write, given that we can write here. Otherwise we have given function f of x. Function f of x is equal to 2x given. Next composite function GOF of x is equal to given 6x plus 2, and a condition also given. This condiction we have to we have given f of gx equal to 10 also given. This condition we will use this at last. And function gx is asking function gx equal to what? This is asking. So my dear students, you have to see here GOFX equal to 6x plus 2 we have given. यो दिएको छ हामीलाई. यसैबाट हामीले के गर्न सक्छौं भने यहाँबाट हामीले के निकाल्न सक्छौं, gx निकाल्न सक्छौं है. Now we can do, this is the condition. At last we have to use, यो त लास्ट मा युज गर्ने कन्डिसन हो. यसबाट हामीले फंक्सन के निकाल्न सक्छौं, के रे सरी x को भ्यालु निकाल्न सक्छौं सल्भ गरेर. पहिला सुरुमा यो हाम्रो फर्स्ट मा दुईटा दिएको छ, यो बाटै सल्भ गर्दै जाम है. त देयर फर्स्ट गिवन इज देयर फंक्सन GOF of x equal to given 6x plus 2. Then this is fx is input. Fx we have given already. Fx दिएको छ भने राख्दा हुन्छ, because this means that function f is followed by g. Function f ले g ले फलो गरेको. त function fx already given, then let's put. दिएको छ भने राखौं, दिएको छैन भने केही फरक पर्दैन. g we can write here same. Function fx equal to we have 2x, 6x plus 2. What I did, के गरे यहाँनिर त function 2 fx place we are putting 2x. fx को ठाउँमा के राखियो त 2x राखियो. And this type of function, how to do, you know that कसरी गर्ने यो क्वेसन भन्ने कुरा मैले पहिले सिकाइसकेको थिएँ तिमीहरूलाई। कसरी गर्ने हो अब यसलाई सिम्पलेस्ट फर्ममा कसरी चेन्ज गर्ने। इन क्लास 9 also you were taught function f of x plus 3 is equal to suppose 6x plus 5 is given there by question. Then how we can find the function f of x? Function f x कसरी निकाल्न सकिन्छ, कसरी गर्ने हो यो।
x plus 3 लाई a मानेर गर्न सकिन्छ।
Oh, there are various ways there to solve this. यसलाई थुप्रै तरिकाले सल्भ गर्ने, तर मैले एउटा इजी वे सिकाएको थिएँ जुन वेबाट फलो गरियो भने हामीले कदापि मिस्टेक गर्न सक्दैनौँ, सजिलो हुन्छ, छिटो हुन्छ। So x plus 3 whatever is given that input value, this can be considered as a single variable like a. यसलाई सिंगल भेरिएबल a कन्सिडर गरेर गर्नुपर्छ भनेको थिएँ मैले, because this is f of x plus 3 equal to given 6x plus 5. It is little bit complex given function. X plus 3 is the input value for the function f, but so while converting this f of x plus 3 in the form of f of x in simplest form, then you people have to consider this given input function, whatever given input value, that item should be considered one single variable. एउटा कुनै single variable सपोज गर्दिने, त्यसपछि जुनसुकै क्वेशन दिए पनि हामीले त्यसलाई इजिली गर्न सक्छौं। भने त अरु वे पनि छ हैन, तर यसलाई better you follow this way. So here input 2x is the input value for the function g. So this 2x can be considered as a let 2x can be considered as a like this, and x value we can find that is a by 2. X value a by 2 comes. Now this value you can substitute in the function. त्यही function मा के गर, त्यही value लाई substitute गर्दै x को value substitute गरेर त फेरि के हुन्छ। Now here your function is coming g of 2x is equal to, there is 6x plus 2. Now g is same, 2x we have considered already a, so g of a 2x लाई हामीले a consider गरेका हौं, we can consider we can put this a, this is equal to 6x plus 2. Okay, now this 6x, 2x equal to a we can write, because we have considered 2x equal to a, so here we can put a here, 6 here, into x place we can put there a by 2, x place we can substitute a by 2, a by 2 plus 2, 2 3 just 6 here, 3 we can write, that is g of a is equal to, we can write 3 into a, 3a plus 2. You have done already this type of question previously in the other exercise. So g of a equal to 3a plus 2. Therefore, g of x equal to, we can write 3x plus 2. Because here, when we put here x a, then here also a comes here. If we put here x, then x will be here. B, then b, like this we can do. Here j input also that a huncha, here a ragda, a ne huncha, x ragda, x ne huncha. This can be written in the form of x. So we have to write in terms of x. Therefore, g of x equal to 3x plus 2. That is g of x equal to 3x plus 2. This is the answer. Okay, then function gx is came down. Function gx ta. Do you have any doubt over here?
No, sir.
All these students, please, if you do have confusion, then tell me, okay? It's very simple. Function gx, we found 3x plus 2. Okay, then again we have to do work here for the value of x. Again, another is there, this condition is given, therefore gx equal to 10 given. So this condition you can write here now. Therefore g of x equal to 10. This is the condition given by the question. Now we can put as it is, g of x you know already, g of x equal to, you can put 3x plus 2. So here 3x plus 2 we can put here. In place of g of x, we can put 3x plus 2. From upside, this is equal to 10. Or function here. Now 3x plus 2 is input value for the function here. Your 3x plus 2 here को लागि input value हो. अब यो 3x plus 2 लाई function यहाँ पर राख्दिने. राखौं त function यहाँ कहाँ छ? Function f of x where it is? Function f of x equal to 2x. यहाँ लगेर x को ठाउँमा हामीले के रिप्लेस गर्ने? 3x plus 2 रिप्लेस गर्ने. राख त 2x we have 2 into x. In place of this x, we can replace 3x plus 2. We can replace here 3x plus 2 is equal to 10. Now after this, 2 3s are 6x plus 2 2s are 4 we can do. This is equal to 10. From here, we can find the value of x. Or there is 6x is equal to 4, we have to carry to the right side, then 10 minus 4 becomes, or 6x equal to 10 minus 4, 6, or x equal to 6 divided by 6, or x equal to 1 comes. Therefore, from this relation, we got the value of x equal to 1, which is our required answer. In this way, we can solve this problem.
So,
Yes, please.
त्यो 2 लाई के डिवाइड मा नि लान मिल्थ्यो हैन र
कहाँनिर
थर्ड स्टेप
Now you can see. Now you can see, please look here. Next question again. Question number 8a. We have given function f of x equal to 2x plus k. f4 is equal to 10. So this is one function given, and this is the condition given. This is the condition to find the value of k. Look it here. K value is asking here. Find the value of k saying. So by using this function f of x and f4 is equal to 10, we can find the value of k. Very easily you can do like previous question. And finally again f minus 4 saying this is at last we can find. Let's find first of all this value of k. The solution we can do here, given that function f of x equal to 2x plus k. Next, composite function f4 is equal to here given 10. Then k is equal to what? First of all, we have to find the value of k. Again, composite function f minus 4 is equal to what? These two things are asked. Okay. Now, all these students, from these given composite functions, f4 is equal to 10. From here, you can find the value of k. Let's start. f4 is equal to 10. We have given f4 is equal to 10. It is given here. Now, all these students, what do you mean by this? इसको अर्थ क्या हो? f4 means what? This means first of all, you have to, this 4 is the input value for the function f. So you have to put this 4 in place of x in this function f. यो function मा जाने, जहाँ x छ x को ठाउँमा 4 लाई replace गर्दिने, substitute गर्दिने. So let's do according to that. This first function you have to put as it is f. Now this 4 you have to substitute in the function f. The function f where it is? Function f is equal to 2x plus k. The 2x plus k. 2 we have to put same into x. X place you can put 4 here and a plus. There is k we have. K we can put as it is. This is equal to 10. Nothing I did. Just this x equal to 4 putting in the function f. The function, this first function f we are putting same. O operator no need to write. Function f in place, this in function f we have to replace x equal to 4. The function f is equal to, we have 2x plus k. The 2 is as it is. There is multiply sign we can write. 4 putting x equal to 4 plus k as it is. K value we have to find, but this is equal to 10. So this little bit you can simplify. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus k we can write here. Then this equal to 10. Now again the 8 plus k is the input value for the function f. फेरि यो 8 plus k हो त f को लागि के हो त इनपुट भ्यालु हो. फेरि यसलाई पुरैलाई के गर्छौ? This 8 plus k whatever we have, this again we have to replace in the function f. Composite function निकाल्न अस्ति त्यत्रो सिकाएको छु, त्यो राम्रोसँग जानेको भए केही गाह्रो छैन. 8 plus k लाई लगेर function f मा राख्ने. Function f we have upside 2x plus k. The 2 we can put same x in place of this x, we can put this all 8 plus k. 2x छ तर x को ठाउँमा 8 plus k we can write. 8 plus k we have here, and a plus k is another there. Plus k is equal to 10. We can write this like now. After this, we can simplify and we can get the required answer. 2 8s are 16 plus 2 into k 2k and plus this is k. This is equal to 10 or 16 or 2k plus k here 3k we can write. This is equal to 10 or 3k is equal to, we can write here 10 minus 16 or k is equal to minus 6 divided by 3 or k is equal to minus 2. So we are getting the value of k is minus 2. The first answer is completed. Now Here, therefore, our function, what is the function f of x? This way, our function f of x, f of x equal to we have there 2x plus k. We can replace the value of k. K को value substitute गर्दा हुन्छ. The function this is equal to 2x plus k minus 2 so minus 2 we can ल function f of x भनेको हाम्रो 2x minus 2 रहेछ. यहाँ 2x plus k लेखे पनि k को ठाउँमा minus 2 राखेपछि के हुन्छ 2x minus 2. ल first work is completed. First work हाम्रो सिद्धि. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now you can find again this f of minus 4 again. So again next work is there. So again we can write again. So we have to find f of minus 4. के गाह्रो भयो त सिधै x equal to minus 4 राख्दै फंक्सन f मा फेरि चाहिँ क्याल्कुलेट गरेर जे आउँछ त्यसलाई फेरि अर्को फंक्सनमा सब्स्टिट्युट गर्दै you know how to find composite function. So this is equal to first function we can put as it is. Again minus 4 you have to substitute in the function f. Function f मा substitute गर्दा function f is equal to just now you have found here 2x minus 2 we had. So 2 into x equal to minus 4 we can substitute minus 4 and minus 2 we have minus 2 we can write this. So this after function f we have to put same 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 8 minus 2 here, that is f of minus 10 comes. Again this minus 10 you have to replace in the function f. फेरि त्यही function f मा राख्दिने. This is equal to the function f we have here f of x equal to 2x minus 2. 2x x place we can put minus 10. So 2 into minus 10 and then next is minus 2 we have minus 2. This is equal to 2 into minus 10 minus 20 minus 20 minus 2. This is minus 22. Therefore function f of minus 4 is equal to minus 22. This is the required answer. So in this way we can solve the problem. Are you clear or not?
Yes.
In this way we can solve the problem. Next question you can see now. Now you can see the